pretty ticklish. I'm gonna dry some of your teeth and have another look, yeah? Go dry. Amazing, good job.
It tickles my teeth.
It does, doesn't it? Tickle. Tickle.
I want to check my teeth and brush my teeth tomorrow morning so well. Welcome to the Oliver and Lucas Kids Show. Today, we're at your dentistry for Lucas to get his teeth checked. Are you ready, Lucky? To help protect your teeth, it's important you get your teeth checked and cleaned regularly by a dentist.
Hi, welcome to your dentistry.
We're here for a dental appointment for Lucas to check up on his teeth.
Yep. No worries, I've checked you guys in. Thank you. Have a seat.
Yes, I want to get a golden tooth. Can I? Do they have to take my tooth out to put it in? Do they?
We have Lucas, come on through. This is new today. I love it, it's amazing. G'day, come on through. Is this the first time you've been to the dentist?
No.
Wow, good job, that's amazing. Help you? I don't want to make a mess of your t-shirt, so you don't have to change it before you do the next thing today.
What's cool is if you get bored, you can watch TV.
Lucas, I've got my mirror here. And I've got my tooth ruler here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Amazing. So I've got this special air gun. Can you feel that?
Oh yeah, I know that.
You remember this from last time? It's pretty ticklish. I'm going to dry some of your teeth and have another look, yeah? Go dry. Amazing, good job.
It tickles my teeth.
It does, doesn't it? Tickle. Tickle.
Makes it cold.
It does. Is it like ice cream?
No.
Not as tasty. So, in about 1 year, what you'll notice is that these front teeth will start to go a little bit wobbly and they'll come out and it's time for the tooth fairy to come and get them.
And then I can get $1 million for my dad.
It's really important that we're removing all the bacteria, all the bugs off the teeth every morning and every night.
I thought we only do it nighttime.
We have to go morning and night. So when you're brushing your teeth, you need to go brush along the gum line. Can you feel the tickles there? It tickles along there, doesn't it?
Yeah. I tickle.
Yeah, that's what you need to do with your toothbrush. So I've got my bubblegum flavoured toothpaste. So we're going to brush your teeth. Go brush. Brush. Got the top
It's
one.
so good.
It tastes really good, hey? Go brush. Wow, a little bit more. It's pretty good, isn't it?
I might going to take that home.
Oh, it'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Chin up to the ceiling, chin up. Good job. Brush. You feel it brushes along the gum line. That's where it needs to be. And how long do you spend to brushing your teeth at home?
My mom tells me
Yeah?
to when I go to the dentist, I have to do like 1 million hours. My brother came to 109 to
Whoa.
brush my teeth.
Giving your teeth a polish. They look amazing, don't they? Beautiful. So we're going to give your teeth a rinse. Okay, lots of water. I've got my vacuum cleaner. You remember this, don't you? Like the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, can you feel that? It's a bit weird, isn't it? So that's to suck away all the water. Okay, opening up. Lots of water here. Good job. Whoa, good job. Tastes pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, but the water is very cold.
Oh no, very cold. Let's have a look. Hold on. Almost there. Otherwise, everything's looking amazing. So we're going to finish with a little bit of fluoride gel. Open and bite together. Beautiful. So bite and hold. Bite together. Yeah. You're okay? Good job. Spit out. Big spit. No water, okay? Do you need to have another spit? Good job.
Now it's all gone.
You did a really great job. Beautiful. And you get to choose some stickers. I think you are a monkey. What do you reckon? Got some special toothpaste in here that's special for you.
Yeah.
Give it a shot. Hopefully you'll like that a little bit more.
Thank you, Dr. Jeff.
You're very welcome.
Some toothpaste and a toothbrush.
By watching us today, we hope we were able to make you feel more prepared for your first dental checkup.
I'm going to check my teeth and brush my teeth tomorrow morning so well.
Poke out your tongue and say, ah, very good. No problem. See how easy that was? Easily done. Well done. So that looks good. I don't think you've got any problems in your throat. Looks normal and healthy.
Welcome to the Oliver and Lucas Kids Show, where you'll find educational videos for kids. Today, we're at next practice to see Dr. Maureen and the doctor. Yay! Go inside. Oh, look at the dogs.
These are the doctors.
These are golden retrievers.
Yeah, golden retrievers.
You look cuddly, don't you? That's lovely.
Hi, I'm here to see Dr. Maureen and the doctor.
Oh, fantastic. I'll just let Dr. Murray know that you're here. And sorry, what's your name?
Oliver?
Oliver?
Yep.
And Oliver, what's your date of birth?
Now I'm giving my details for the doctor.
Well, Dr. Maureen is just with the patient at the moment, so if you can just take a seat over there, and you can say hello to Dr. Patty down there, and Ola as well.
These are therapy dogs.
This is the doctor. Good dog. This is like Snickers when we gave him his groom.
A therapy dog is taught to provide cuddles, comfort, and love to children and adults who need it. They can help you feel better if you're scared or worried. That's why we call them a dogter.
Give me a high five. I can't carry big dogs. I can carry my own
I
dog.
imagine you're strong anyway.
And my dog's that tall.
This is the heart of a human. And don't get grossed out because everyone has this. Even dogs. And if we didn't have this, we wouldn't be alive.
So these are all the lobes that go into your lungs.
It's important to wait your turn patiently to see the doctor.
Good morning! Oh, you've already met Dr. Patty.
Yep.
My name is Maureen. I'm the GP, the doctor here today. And what's your name?
Oliver.
You're Oliver. And you're Lucas. Well, it's lovely to meet you. Do you want to have a seat? So tell me, how are you feeling today?
Good, but a really sore ear.
You have a sore ear. When did you start having the sore ear?
Maybe yesterday?
Yesterday. Okay, well, will we have a look at it?
Sure.
Okay, the first thing we'll do is we'll check your temperature. So I've got my little thermometer here. You've seen one of these before? There we go. That's Dr. Paddy barking out the back. And we just put a little top on it and then it goes in your ear and it makes a little beeping sound. Ready?
I hear it.
Beep. There we go. And it's normal, 36.3. Very good. No problem.
Dr. Maureen is now using an otoscope.
Special little light. Have you had this done before? No. See, it's just like a light. That's all it is. So I can see inside your ear. Will we do it?
Yeah.
Good, that looks fine. No problem, no problem. Let's have a look in the sore ear now. Just hold on like this. Oh, is that sore? It's a little bit red in there. So that'll be why your ear is sore. You've got a little bit of an ear infection. Let's have a listen to your chest now as well, just to make sure that everything's all right in there. This is my stethoscope. Have you seen one of these before?
Yeah, I guess.
So these go in my ears like this, and then I can hear your heart and your breathing. So let's have a look. You can lift up your t-shirt if you want to. There we go.
Oh, that's cold.
I can even hear it outside your t-shirt sometimes too.
It feels cold, like it's like ice coming through my shirt.
Is it? Now will we have a listen to your breathing?
Okay.
Do you want to stand up for me for a minute and turn around that way so I can have a look at your back? Now I'll see if I can hear through your t-shirt, but usually we lift up your t-shirt to have a listen. Oh, I can hear perfectly. Big breaths in and out. Very good. And one more. Excellent, you did very well. That's nice and clear, no problem. Good, well you did very, very well. Very well. So I think you have a little bit of an ear infection. And usually for an ear infection, you don't need to take any medication, just rest and maybe some Panadol. Just in case we need some antibiotics, I'm going to give you a script, okay? 3 times a day, very good. Now, you can bring this to the pharmacy and they will give you your antibiotics. All right? Very good. Tip your head back a little bit and poke out your tongue and say, ah, very good. No problem. See how easy that was? Easily done. Well done. So that looks good. I don't think you've got any problems in your throat. It looks normal and healthy. We can hear through your shirt. Let's have a listen.
I'll try to hear too.
Do you know what it's saying? I love mommy. I love mommy. That's what it's saying. This one tells you how much oxygen is in your blood. Oh, there we go. You have to hold it for a few seconds.
I just have one.
99?
I did it again.
You can. Oh, perfect.
98. How much do I have?
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, sorry.
You pop it on your finger. There you go. Nice and still so that it can read properly. There we go.
Yeah, 10,000.
Nice.
Can I do this one now?
Do you want to check your temperature as well?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll pop it in your ear. That's it. And then we press the button and it should go beep. There we are. 36.9. Beep. And then do it again and now it should work. Pop it in there and press the button. There we are. There we go. Well done. You did very well, both of you. You can go home and if you're still feeling sick, you can come back to see me again.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for checking us.
You're welcome. It was lovely to meet you. Lovely to have you here. Don't forget you have to give Dr. Patty a tickle on the way out.
Thank you for joining us on our Doctor's Checkup. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos. Yay! Yay! Bye!